What's up, guys? I'm coming back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to hook up an HDMI cable on a TV and a PS3 like that one right there. So first you're gonna need to go to a store and buy an HDMI cable like this one right here. This is mine right here. It's like a 12-foot one. I don't really know why I bought a 12-foot, but I did. And when you get it and stuff, you're gonna go down under in here. This is my HDMI cable. You gotta hook it up. You gotta hook it up right in that hole right here. If you can see what I'm doing. Right here. Just like that. And then go on your TV. So this is my TV. I'm gonna turn my TV on real quick. It's turned on. And go on your TV and look. Yeah, pull that out. Look for these things right here. There's HDMI 2 and HDMI 1. You're going to want to hook it up to one of the HDMI spots. I usually hook it up in 2 for some reason. I just do. There, so hooked up. I'm going to turn on my TV again. Okay, so now when you want your HDMI cable to work, you do this. You, instead of just clicking on it, you hold it for like 5 seconds like that until you hear the second beep. So there's the second beep. Now you just need to wait for the TV to turn on. I'll get the TV and stuff going. That's my controller. PS3 controller. Whoa. That's all my games right there. And all my PS2 games. And more PS2 games. So when it gets to this screen right there, you're going to want to hit yes. Okay, so now it gets to this screen. It says, if you do not press any buttons, the system will automatically go back to the previous stage. So when you get to this stage, you're going to go over and hit yes again. And then your TV should go like 1080p instead of 720. And then just your PS3 starts up, and that's how you do it. I'm gonna play some video games right now. Right now I have GTA 5 in. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and peace out.